What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best USB car charger on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Anker USB-C car charger. The Anker PowerDrive 3 packs a 40-watt combined output into a compact body, sending 20 watts of quick charging power to each of its 2 USB-C ports. The charger uses a small blue halo light for visibility, and each port gets a similar blue tint of its own. An 18-month warranty is included with purchase. Beyond that, there aren't too many bells and whistles. C-type cables are quickly becoming the standard for charging modern devices, including the new iPhone 15 and current model Android phones. If you have older charging cables lying around, you may want to opt for a charger that includes a USB-A port as well. Still, this USB car charger's dual fast charging ports, power, warranty, and price point are a well-rounded lineup of features. Plus, Anker is a reliable brand known for its well-designed devices. Universal high speed, from iPhone to Samsung to USB-C tablets and more. Anker's signature PowerIQ 3.0 technology provides high-speed charging to virtually any mobile device. Wide compatibility, works flawlessly with USB-C phones, tablets, and more. Superior safety, Anker's exclusive MultiProtect safety technology provides complete protection for you and your devices. Ultra-compact, built small to give you unimpeded access to the rest of the dashboard. What you get: PowerDrive 3 Duo Car Charger, welcome guide, our worry-free 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service. In our list, the number 4 product name is AILKIN 30WPD USB-C car charger. This simple 12-volt plug-in from AILKIN comes with a low price tag, 1 USB-A port, and 1 USB-C. It also has a 30-watt capacity, which can charge a phone nearly as quickly as the QC 3.0 standard. The catch is that you only get that maximum wattage while plugged into the Type-C port. The USB-A puts out 2.4 amps of current, without quick charging, so you'll need a USB-C cable to get full performance out of the USB car charger. As a bonus, there's also blue halo lighting around the ports to keep them visible at night. Lastly, AILKIN provides a 1-year warranty with purchase. What we offer: 1 PCS AILKIN dual port, PD USB-C 3.0 and USB-A, car charger. Our worry-free 1-year warranty, and 24 hours/7D friendly customer service. Super fast, upgraded C-Lighter adapter with a Power PD 3.0 port to charge iPhone series models up to 3 times faster than the original 5W charger with full 30W power. Smart WSB port design intelligently identifies your device to safe charging of dual devices at full speed simultaneously. It perfectly fits in the vehicle cigarette lighter spot socket. The best cool tech USB multiport car gadgets for just you or sharing the charge time with a friend. USB-CNA connection. Simply plug in the USB-CNA to C or CNA to LTG iPhone cable and plug the adapter into the cigarette lighter splitter. Safe and reliable. Certified RoHS, CE and FCC, protects devices from overheated and overcurrents, overcharging, and short circuits. Charging will be automatically stopped when the battery is full. ABS plus PC fireproof material. With the confirmed connection by LED indicator blue light, you can make sure your digital devices are always charged. In our list, the number 3 product name is Ainope 4.8, a USB charger for car. This USB car charger's compact design sits flush with the car's outlet without protruding from the dash. It uses 2 standard USB-A ports, which are still the most widely used type of cable. Each port also gets its own integrated lighting, so they're almost impossible to miss in the dark. The body of the charger is lightweight zinc alloy, which stands up readily to pressure and heat. A variety of color options are available in addition to the standard black. On the downside, each port only supplies 12 watts/2.4 amps, which leaves no quick charging options. Compact size, flush fit. The tiny thumb-sized design, 1.7-inch, L, x 0.9, W, ensures that this USB cigarette lighter adapter fits seamlessly into most car cigarette lighters, barely protruding past the edge of the outlet. Its compact and minimalist design not only enhances the aesthetic of your car interior but also keeps your space organized and clutter-free. Lightweight, portable, and perfect for on-the-go use, this is a must-have car phone charger for both women and men. 4.8A/24W high-speed charging. This car charger adapter delivers an impressive total output of 4.8A/24W, offering 2.4A/12W per USB port. With a charging speed that's 2x faster than standard 1A/5W chargers, it allows you to charge 2 devices simultaneously at full speed, ideal for keeping both your phone and tablet powered up on long drives. Please note, this USB car charger does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge, and the charging page will not display Fast Charge while in use. Premium all-metal design. Crafted with a full zinc alloy body, this car lighter USB adapter is not only sleek and attractive but also scratch-resistant and durable. Unlike plastic chargers, it stays cool even during extended use, providing a safer and more reliable charging experience. This robust material ensures your USB cigarette lighter socket remains in pristine condition over time. Certified safety for your devices. Safety is a top priority with this USB cigarette lighter adapter. Built-in safeguards protect against overcurrent, overcharging, and overheating, giving you peace of mind while charging your devices. Whether you're powering up your phone, tablet, or other gadgets, you can trust this car plug-in adapter outlet to keep them secure. Dedicated customer care. At Ainope, we genuinely care about your satisfaction. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is available to assist you. Reach out to us anytime, and we promise a prompt response within 24 hours to ensure your concerns are resolved and your experience remains hassle-free. In our list, the number 2 product name is Superone Retractable USB-C Dual Car Charger. This USB car charger features 2 built-in retractable USB-C cables, so you don't have to worry about misplacing or forgetting to bring your own cables. It's perfect for Android users, since that platform has adopted the USB-C standard for several years now. One of the cables provides quick charging, while the other gives a lesser 2.4 amp power supply. iPhone 15 and later users can also take advantage of the C-type cables. For older iPhone owners, a Lightning version of the same model charger is available. Other features include an additional C-type port, and a standard A-type port for your other devices, plus a small LED display which measures the supplied voltage and can be used to monitor your car battery's health. Safe charging. This car phone charger is equipped with a voltage display feature, allowing you to monitor the health of your car battery at all times. Boasts overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage, temperature control, and short circuit protection. Note: it connects to the car battery only, doesn't support CarPlay via USB. Retractable for storage. Featuring a retractable design, this retractable car charger comes with two 80 cm retractable charger cords that automatically retract for easy storage. Say goodbye to cable entanglement and keep your car interior well organized. Fast charging. This retractable car charger adapter can be used for both 12V DC and 24V DC, loaded with 100 W of output power in total. The Type-C port offers max 30 W charging power, while the USB-A port delivers up to 18 W. So you can charge 4 devices at the same time and at high speed. Versatile 4-in-1 retractable car charger with 2 retractable Type-C cables, USB-C and USB-A ports. This fast-charging car charger supports fast charging for up to 4 devices simultaneously. No more carrying multiple Type-C car chargers for different devices. It's a versatile solution for your charging needs. Universal compatibility. Certified for various fast charging protocols, including PD, QC 3.0, AFC, MTK, and FCP. This fast charging car charger is compatible with a wide range of devices such as phones, tablets, iPads, smartwatches, AirPods, and even the Nintendo Switch. The built-in retractable charger cable supports iPhone 16, 15 series and other Android phones. Note: Lightning cable not included. Fit most cars. This retractable phone charger for car can freely rotate 180 degrees, ensuring it can adjust to any angle for your charging convenience, ensuring compatibility with most 12/24V car sockets with ease. Combined with stronger bottom clasp, effortlessly stay firmly even when driving through bumpy roads. Travel ready. More ports, less tangle. Ideal for family road trips with extra charging ports. The convenient retractable design ensures hassle-free storage. This Type-C car charger for fast charging is a perfect gift for dad, mom, sons, daughters, friends, parents, and your loved ones. 18-month free replacement. If this retractable USB-C car charger is not compatible with your cars, please feel free to contact us and we will help you solve the problem ASAP. We offer an 18-month quality guarantee and 7x24h customer service. In our list, the number 1 product name is TechNet 4-port USB car charger. For those that still have a bunch of USB Type-A cables lying around, this TechNet USB car charger has you covered with 4 available ports. Only one of them is equipped with Quick Charge 3.0 compatibility, while the others contend with the slower 2.4 amp standard. The whole device is surrounded with an illuminated blue ring which makes it visible at night, and shows when the power is running. The Quick Charge equipped port also has an internal light of its own, assisting the user in picking it out of the lineup. 4-port car charger. TechNet Car USB Charger Multi-Port is equipped with 4 USB-A ports that provide power for 4 devices at the same time. Say goodbye to the dilemma of sharing the USB car charger. Your ultimate travel partner for every trip. Fast charging USB-A. Maximum output up to 54 W in total. QC 3.0 18W output and USB 1/2/312 W output at each port. QC 3.0 port output 18W charges most devices from 0% to 88% within 35 minutes, saving an average of 2 hours to a normal charger. Support QC 3.0/QC 2.0/AFC/FCP protocol. Compact size. With a tiny thumb-sized size. 1.25 by 1.96 by 2.71 in body. This USB car charger perfectly blends with most car cigarette lighters and sits comfortably in the outlet. Our smallest car charger yet. It's portable and you can take this TechNet Car USB charger multi-port everywhere. Durability and safety. An advanced intelligent circuity safety system prevents short circuit, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. The upgraded metal USB car charger will release heat faster, which is safer than a plastic one. When using the car USB charger multi-port to charge your phone, the LED will turn on with a soft light to remind charging status without disturbing your driving.